Bombs! What is bombs?
We were on our way to join the IrI JI Isuofia, a very special celebration happening in August. But before we entered the civic center, the kids were disturbing us to buy snacks.
Ik neem met eier. IJs met eier.
IJs met eier, daar is olie.
Oh ja.
And once we were ready, we entered the place. There were so many familiar faces, and the crowd was huge. So we started out by greeting everybody. While we made our way towards our seats, the Umuada group was performing. From our seat, we could overlook the entire space. Every last seat was taken. Even the kids tried to get a glimpse of the performances. And the freshly harvested yam was displayed in the middle. There was an Ekeramba performance. Unfortunately, not a real one, as the floor was too hard to fall down. Also, Ndinzeno showed up in numbers, and we just enjoyed the show. And before the rain closed the event for us, the Achukus came and announced their performance the next day. But they were not the only masquerades present at the fest. Outside the gates was Otakagu and many others that we met on our way back to the car.